A is for Australia, where kangaroos hop and play all day. B is for Brazil, where jungles so wild and colors that thrill. C is for China, where pandas munch bamboo and dragons dine. D is for Denmark, with castles and bikes and fairy tale sparks. E is for Egypt, with pyramids tall and camels that drift. F is for France, where the Eiffel Tower makes hearts dance. G is for Germany, with forest trails and castles so ferny. Oh, H is for Hungary, with warm baths, goulash and fun discovery. I is for India, where spices bloom and tigers roam with glee. J is for Japan, with cherry trees and sushi fans. K is for Kenya, where lions roar on the wide savannah. L is for Lebanon, with ancient Roman ruins and pita and hummus. M is for Mexico, with tacos, tunes and temples to go. N is for Nigeria, with music and dance that fill the area. O is for Oman, where deserts shine and castles stand strong. P is for Portugal, with trams, tiles and oceans so cool. Q is for Qatar, with shiny towers and desert afar. R is for Russia, where winters are bold and stories hush ya. S is for Spain, with flamenco fun and sunny terrain. T is for Thailand, where elephants walk and temples stand. U is for United States, with city lights and 50 states. V is for Vietnam, where lanterns glow